Alright YouTube, well I'm here in Malaysia, in Sandakan, and I'm just here to do the river cruise. Today I'm taking a day off to edit video, and what's coming to you right now is an episode I filmed in Taiwan. This is a duck shop, and we're gonna see a duck being prepared, and it was so delicious, guys. I just got really lucky to be able to film the whole process. Let's go! In this duck shop in Douliu, Taiwan, I've been honored with an invitation to watch the meticulous preparation of a roasted duck. The owner begins by selecting a perfectly roasted duck. With a sharp knife in hand, he expertly slices the duck into portions. The meat is sliced into even bite-sized portions, ensuring a good mix of tender meat and crispy skin. As each piece is cut, he carefully arranges the slices in a circular pattern on the plate, highlighting the texture and the quality of the duck. Next, he cooks the less meaty parts, such as the neck, the lower legs, and the brisket frame. The plate isn't full because the customer only ordered half a duck. You have the option to order either a whole duck or a half a duck.
Budget. Budget. 再见，再见。好想，嗨，嗨，拜拜。
They make their own flour wraps using a machine, and he heats them up before serving them. I didn't get to see how they make the wraps. They prepare a certain quantity at a time. Everything looks inviting. The dish is served in the soft, freshly made flour wraps. I take a bite and the flavors immediately burst in my mouth. The rich, savory taste of the duck makes each bite incredibly satisfying. The night before, I had the privilege of watching as the owner meticulously cleaned the ducks, preparing them for the kitchen. He carefully removed any remaining insides and thoroughly rinsed the birds, ensuring they were spotless and ready for cooking. As a digital nomad, I highly recommend that you check out kiwi.com. I've used them several times, once in Thailand and once in Vietnam, and the experience was awesome. The link is in the description. Also, check out this mattress, Cool Gel, and these suitcases from Douliu City. They are awesome, great for travelers. Links are in the description, guys. Thanks for your support. Appreciate you. Until next time.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take the leap into a location-independent lifestyle, then join me at Nomad School. In just 30 days, I'll help you kickstart your journey to become a digital nomad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And for more tips and information, check out the link to my blog in the description. I'll see you next time in the next video.